Hi everyone, I'm gonna sing Perfect by Headley. I hope you guys love it. Okay, here I go. Don't be forsaken. You should take me by surprise. I just know we can't be over. I can see it in your eyes. Making every kind of silence takes a lot to realize. It's worth the sunshine all over. Never let it lie. It's like I can feel you holding on. I won't fall. And if you said I was wrong, I'm not perfect, but I keep trying. That's what I said I would do from the start. Never feel that moment. Always don't the same. I said you're just my personality. Making every kind of silence. It takes a lot to realize. It's worse to finish than start all over. Never let it lie. And as long as I can feel you holding on, I won't fall. Even if you said I was wrong, I feel that I'm not perfect, and I keep trying. That's what I said I would do from the start. So please don't leave me. It's something I said, or just my personality. When you're caught in a lie and you've got nothing to hide, when you've got nowhere to run and you've got nothing inside, it's just like you me. You don't you knew me. You thought that you knew. I'm not perfect, but I keep trying, 'cause that's what I said I would do from the start. Not alive if I'm lonely, but I don't need the same thing I said, or just my personality. I'm not perfect, but I keep trying. That's what I said I would do from the start. Life is lonely, so please don't leave. There's something I said, or just myself, just just to myself. I'm not perfect, but I keep trying. Thanks for watching, guys, and it is kind of true. I'm not perfect, but I keep trying. Love you all.